It's a bag, but it's a special bag.
A special bag for me.
Can Daddy open it for you, please? Daddy, can you help Felix with that, please?
S-K-L-E-P.
Wow, stuff, that's right. Now, Daddy, can you tell Felix all about it, please?
It's stuff.
It's a vet kit.
It's a vet kit. Look, you've got something to torture and something else.
Daddy.
You've got all kinds of useful and interesting
So this is for being a vet.
devices.
Wow, that's a stethoscope. Please. It's the Flying Doctor Service.
What is this?
That is a syringe. So this is for pretending to be a vet, so you can make animals better.
I